Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do the question answers of chapter number 8, career planning of class 8th. Question number 1 is, what does a career counselor do? Answer: a career counselor helps people to choose their career by judging their aptitude, interests and abilities. Question number 2 is, what is the difference between an occupation and a profession? Answer: occupations include everything one does using one's skill to earn money. It requires skill more than higher professional education. For example, barbers, tailors, carpenters, etc. A profession A profession is an activity which requires specialized training, knowledge, qualification, and skill, like a doctor, an engineer, or a stock exchange broker. Question number 3: what is aptitude? Answer: aptitude is unique ability and talent. It is a natural ability to do something. It affects the professional choice people make in life. If a person has no interest in his profession, he will not be able to contribute to his full potential and will remain unsuccessful and frustrated. Question number 4 is, what happens when parents force children to choose field against their aptitude? Answer: when parents force children to choose field against their aptitude, the children may face unsatisfactory academic performance and low grades. It also causes lack of confidence and frustration among them. They are unable to contribute to their full potential. Question number 5: what does the phrase in demand mean when choosing careers? Answer: the phrase in demand means what is need of society and which profession is prevailing nowadays. Question number 6: what does the saying the more you learn, the more you earn means? The more you earn, the more you learn means if one gets better chances of evolving different skills related to one's interest and aptitude, one can avail the best opportunity to earn. Question number 7: be proactive and take a step every day that gets you nearer to your goal. What steps could these be? Answer: be proactive and take a step every day that gets you nearer to your goal means there are 5 points of this answer. Number 1 is determine your goal. Number 2, visualize your goal. Number 3, create your plan. Number 4, share your plan or goal with others. Number 5, follow your plan. The last question is question number 8. If you were to give your younger sibling an advice about his or her career, what three things would you suggest him or her? Answer is, I would suggest, here are three suggestions given. Number 1, consult to career counselor or teacher. Number 2, keep focus on your aptitude and interests. And the last and number 3 is do what you love and love what you do. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and like it and then share it. Thank you.